How to fix can't open file problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure that your Android device has File Manager or Files application and tap to launch it. Now open the file, or you can even proceed towards internal storage at bottom left and choose the file which is not opening. So let's try opening the particular file. And as you can see that this is not opening and there is installation problem on our device. So what you can do is simply tap and hold this file and then tap three dots at top right. Select compress and here you need to enter the G file. Let's say file and then tap on compress button. And after that you need to simply tap on that G file and tap on extract button. Now tap on done button. So one file is extracted to downloads. Now simply locate the file again, and after that you simply need to tap three dots of that particular file and again rename to .apk, and after that your file not opening problem will be fixed on your Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.